how to calculate a combination using your calculator, the Casio fx-991ES. The example I'm going to show you is 12, choose 5, or written like this with the C on the outside, 12 comma 5, or it's often written just in brackets with the number 12 on top and how many you're choosing at the bottom. So go on your Casio fx-991ES. You're going to first enter in the first value, so how many you're selecting from. So if you're selecting 12, enter 12. Then you're going to hit the shift function, which is right beside the alpha key, and then you're going to see the combination is on top of the division, so select that. Now you see a C on the screen. And secondly, just enter in the number 5, because that's how many you're selecting. Hit equals. There you have it. 12 choose 5 is 792. And it's done on your fx-991ES Casio calculator.